year I've been buried under a pile of strippers and beer doing important research. I just want you to know that I miss you, but don't worry, my aim is improving. In this development blog, we're going to talk about the ancient art of archery, the skill of using bow and arrows invented by cowards who didn't have the balls to face their enemies in direct combat. First, let's cover the bows that you may encounter in the game. The first one is the improvised bow, or the long bow, which is fully flat when unstrung. It's also the largest, and due to its profile, it's less prone to string torque. This handsome snack of a man is holding a recurve. When unstrung, it curves away from the archer. It's noisier than the longbow because the string and limbs are in direct contact. However, the curved limbs make it smaller and more powerful than a longbow of the same size. The last one is a modern compound bow. It's a modern version of the traditional bow. Compounds use a pulley system that takes the strain off the bow and provides slack for the archer, making it easier to shoot with accuracy. The part of the bow that you hold onto is called the riser. In this case, both recurve and compound bows have center shot risers that allow the arrow to be fully aligned with the string. True center shot allows the center of the arrow to be launched through the center line of the bow. The arrow on the improvised bow is offset to the side, measuring from the center line of the bow. This means that when the arrow leaves the bow, it has to go around the riser, which brings us to something that's called the archer's paradox. A paradox is a phenomenon involving two or more things with contradictory nature. For example, like how our buddy Errol here managed to squeeze into his lovely tights. When you look at it from above, you can see that the target, the bow, and the string are lined up perfectly, while the arrow is pointing in a slightly different direction. Nevertheless, after the release, the arrow eventually hits the target. So how is that possible? The secret lies in the flexibility of the arrow. After release, the arrow gets pushed by the string towards the bow, and it starts to bend. When bending, the arrow builds up strain energy until it eventually snaps into the opposite direction and leaves the bow. This means that the arrow is actually bending around the bow during its travel toward the target. So the archer's paradox is the phenomenon where you have a bow between the arrow and the target, but the arrow still manages to get around the bow and hit the target precisely. If you examine the arrow's flight, you'll see that it wiggles in the air like a big pink dildo. It literally flexes in both directions and spins during the whole flight path towards the target. How much the arrow will flex in the air is determined by its spine. The spine is a factor that determines the stiffness of the arrow. By looking at everything from above, you can notice two distinct curves. When these two curves cross, they create nodes, node A and node B. By connecting these two nodes, you'll get the direction that the arrow flies. And that's most unfortunate for the adorable little Bugsy here, who didn't listen to his mom and regularly skipped class to steal Easter eggs, thinking that he'd be safe simply because the arrow isn't pointing any direction. Blog video, we'll cover 4 different skill sets: stealth, camouflage, awareness, and tactics. These skills dynamically change depending on external influences or choices you make with your character during game time. Before we start with the scat video, we'd like to say something about the unfair advantage of third-person perspective over first-person perspective. In the current video, we've recreated the worst-case scenario that players can experience in all third-person shooting games today. Not only that TPP is unfair over FPS, it's unfair in general since players on elevated positions have a huge advantage over other players. So far, there's no game that has provided a solution for this problem. Some games do offer split servers depending on the game, but in our opinion, that's So, what exactly do you do to make things better? Scum frequently experiences rejection. No matter which representing that tactic skill have been activated also. Notice that it works for both the first person and third person. Tactics Imagine you're looking through the window and notice a car slowing down at the crossroads.